Samsung just dropped its most advanced smart monitor yet, and it's making serious waves. Meet the all-new Smart Monitor M9, Samsung's first ever smart monitor powered by QD-OLED. Launched in South Korea alongside the M7 and M8, the M9 leads the pack, featuring a stunning 32-inch QD-OLED display. Pricing starts at KRW 1.99 million, or about $1,460 USD. And yes, global availability is coming soon. This isn't just another pretty panel. You're looking at 4K resolution, a buttery-smooth 165Hz refresh rate, and lightning-fast 0.03 millisecond response time. It's Display HDR True Black 400 certified with support for both AMD FreeSync Premium Pro and NVIDIA G-Sync. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking, the M9 delivers brilliant colors and ultra-deep blacks. The Smart Monitor M9 runs on Tizen OS with One UI, offering 7 years of software updates. With built-in Samsung TV Plus, Gaming Hub, SmartThings, and Bixby, it's more than a monitor, it's an all-in-one entertainment hub. And yes, it comes with a sleek metal build, adjustable stand, and a solar-powered remote. Powered by Samsung's new NQM Gen 3 chip, the M9 gets smarter the more you use it. It upscales non-4K content beautifully with AI Upscaling Pro and even recognizes what's on screen, from food and actors to recommending your next binge watch. Worried about OLED burn-in? Samsung's got you covered with OLED Safeguard Plus. Using AI thermal prediction, an oscillating heat pipe, and content-aware dimming, it proactively prevents pixel damage, making this one of the most burn-in resistant QD-OLED monitors yet. The M9 is also built for work, with Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.2, AirPlay 2, HDMI 2.1, and USB-C with 90-watt charging. It's ready for any setup. You also get multi-control, letting you share your mouse and keyboard across your Samsung devices, and full Microsoft 365 access for remote productivity. The Samsung Smart Monitor M9 is bold, smart, and built for the future. From its stunning QD-OLED visuals to AI-powered brains and versatile features, it's more than a monitor, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Available now in South Korea with a global release just around the corner. Stay tuned. Subscribe for more smart tech insights and first looks right here.
Hold me close till I get up.